This is the moment I have been waiting years for. My ASUS TUF RTX 5090 is finally here. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is not just an unboxing. This is a dream come true for me and honestly for any gamer out there. Let's open it up and see what's inside. One tough velcro strap, simple, strong and ready to tame the cable chaos. This is the GPU support bracket, essential for a monster like the ASUS TUF 5090. The magnetic base keeps it steady and the rubber head prevents scratches. Full metal body, height adjustable, built to fit any rig. And yes, it even hides a built-in Phillips screwdriver. Clever, practical, essential. Not every badge is earned, some are forged in fire. This isn't just a sticker, it's a seal of survival. And now the mark is yours. Tough Gaming certified to endure, proud to display. Coiling like a serpent. This is the 124 12V 2x6 splitter cable, a fragile alliance under extreme pressure. Push it too far and it becomes what some call the fire starter. My advice, if you can, go with a certified PSU, a single native 12V 2x6 cable. No splits, no risks. Documentation usually routine, but this time it holds something worth your full attention. Before this GPU ever saw the light of the day, it survived a war zone of tests. This certification isn't just a stamp, it's proof. Proof that when you push your system to the edge, it won't break. Built for battles, ready for dreams. And here we go. This is the moment I have been waiting for, the moment that almost feels unreal. Alright, let's open it up together. And here it is, the absolute beast, the star of the show, ASUS TUF RTX 5090. Wow, just wow. This is beyond beautiful. Look at the size of it, it's massive. You don't just hold this, you feel its power in your hands. Spacers, chokes, offsets, every part built through military grade testing. Heat, cold, corrosion, nothing scares this card. Not just assembled, certified. This isn't just a graphic card, it's a promise that no matter how far you go, no matter how hard you push, it will go further. Every edge, every detail screams durability. This thing is a tank, and I'm still shaking holding it. This is not just a GPU, this is a dream in physical form. Such a beautiful piece of tech, and I'm honestly speechless. Happiness, the excitement, the love, everything is on another level right now. I've been waited so long for this moment, and now holding it feels like everything was worth it. This is not just unboxing a graphics card, this is unboxing a dream. I just wanted to share this unbelievable moment with all of you. My full performance review, benchmarks and gameplay test will be coming in the next video. So make sure to like, subscribe and join me on this journey, because this is just the beginning. Thank you for being part of my dream come true.